Hi, now I am going to show you how to use if function. Okay, I have this worksheet. Students, it's a set of students here, and marks and their respective marks. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to introduce a column to find whether the student is in particular subject, it's pass or fail. Okay, if a student scores 35 marks or more, he or she is pass, and if the student is not scoring 35 marks at least or less than 35 marks, that means he or she is failed, okay, in that particular subject. Okay, now I am introducing a column pass or fail. Okay, now I am using a if statement, if condition. See how I am using. It's a formula. If the function, if, and a logical test. What is the test? What is the criteria? If the mark is greater than or equal to 35, what do you want to put? You want to put pass. What is, if the condition is true, put to pass. If the condition is false, put fail. Close the bracket, enter. See, the person is 80 marks, so it is pass. 35 marks is pass because it's greater than or equal to 35. 40 marks pass. 28 marks it's fail. Okay, because less than 35. 55 marks pass. 18 marks fail. 99 marks pass. 10 marks fail. 78 marks pass. And finally Nancy is 34 marks is fail. So this is the way you can use a if condition to evaluate a particular criteria and put a tag value, whether it is whether if it is true, put that value. If it is false, put another value. You see, this is the way you can use if condition.